Today's video is about fixing red blocks in an attribute dialog box. If you've ever come across this while working on Autocad, you double click onto an attribute and notice that the one that I double clicked on, Phil, actually comes up as Bill because these all have the same name for their tags. So Autocad doesn't know which one to choose, so it just goes to the top. So if you've ever seen multiple red attributes, they basically, AutoCAD is saying that they all have the same name and it doesn't know which one to go to. You can still edit them with ease, so they still change, but they just kind of is not good. If you're ever to extract this data, it wouldn't know what to do as well. It would just kind of override itself because they're all going to the same attribute tag. Best way to fix it is by using a tool called Battman. When you type in Battman, you'll see that it still has the same red names here, and the way to fix it is just by clicking on the name, click on Edit, and then just giving it an identifier, like 1. So if I click here and I say 2, you'll notice that this one has already become unique, but to keep things similar, I'll name it 3, so that they're all individually different. When I click Apply and OK, if I go into Fill now, you can see that it actually does pull up Fill right here at the very bottom. So I can edit it to Bob and click OK, and you can see it's all different. Now, if I were to go and I say I don't like the way, if I click on Bob, but Bob's at the very bottom, I want to bring Bob up to the very top, that name at the very top, I just got to go back in and edit the Battman location, the attribute location here. So you can see we'll have it kind of the same way that 1, 2, 3 goes. Bob might be still showing up at the bottom. That's because it's on name 3, but I can fix that as well. So what I want is the same order here, though. I want a name at the top, a location, and then another name, and then the size, and then another name at the bottom. So what I'll do is I'll click on name 1 and just move it up to the top. And then what I want is the location, so I'll click on that one and move it up here. I want the second name to come up, so I'll click on that one. And then I'll have size and then another name. So I can click on Apply and OK. And now, say I click on this one here, I got the Susie is at the very bottom, but that's mostly because it took on name 3. But you could still say I have 1, 2, 3 here. Again, I can fix it by going back into Battman. So name 3 has been showing up at the very top. So what I'll do is I'll edit that one to call it 1, or I'll do 0, 1, give it a little bit more unique identifier. And then 2, I'll put that one as 0, 2. And then I'll do 3, or actually this one was name 1. Oh, sorry. This one, 0, 3. So now what I'll do is I'll pull this one to the very bottom and name 1 to the very top. Like that. And say Apply and OK. And now if I double click on Bob, there he is at the top. It should go the same for Barney. It's at the top. Boston location. Will and Kevin all fixed. So that's the tool Battman. It will help fix any of those red issues. You can also go in and change out the text attributes, making them invisible. If you wanted to add more invisible, you can change their text styles, their height. You can change the properties, change colors, all within Battman, and then sync up your attributes, and they will all be fixed once again.